Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. My name is Taylor and I am so happy to have you here. Today we're making the absolute best Instant Pot spaghetti. It's quick, it's easy, and it's delicious. Now let's get at it and get it done because I'm hungry. First, you're going to want to chop one whole large onion. Then you're going to want to chop one whole head of garlic. Yes, that is a lot of garlic, but it is so good. Then finally chop up 4 mini sweet peppers. Then whip out your Instant Pot and put it on the saute setting. Add around 2 tablespoons of extra virgin olive oil. Then add in your choice of meat. I'm using ground turkey, but you can use beef as well. Now it's time to saute it and add your seasonings. I'm starting off with some black pepper. I usually put about a half a teaspoon of black pepper. Then I put about a half a teaspoon of salt, but I feel like salt and pepper is a personal preference, so adjust to your liking. Now I am coming in with the key ingredient. This is Tony Chachere's, and I think I'm pronouncing that the correct way, but I put around a teaspoon to a teaspoon and a half of this, and this really takes the flavor to the next level. It is so good. Then add you a big old heaping tablespoon of dried parsley flakes. Then add around 2 teaspoons of garlic powder. Sometimes I add even more garlic powder because, come on now, there ain't no such a thing as too much garlic. Then add in 1 teaspoon of Italian seasoning, and you want to be careful to not put too much of this stuff because it can become overpowering really fast. Now you want to give everything a good stir and mix everything together, and if you like your meat finer, then now is the time to chop it up with your spatula. Then add your onion, garlic, and sweet mini peppers. I usually stir it a couple of times and then let it saute for around 2 to 5 minutes. Then get your spaghetti noodles, break them in half, and then you're going to want to layer them. Now go in with 2 jars of your pasta sauce of choice. I like this, it's called the Silver Palate, but I was calling it the Silver Plate for the longest time, but it is seriously the best pasta sauce I have ever tried. Next, you're going to want to go in with peeled plum Italian style tomatoes. I like to use the whole tomatoes because I find that when the Instant Pot steams, the smaller tomatoes can get kind of mushy. Now in each jar, I'm just going to put about 1/4 cup of water, shake it up really good, and then pour it into the Instant Pot. Now you want to take the back of your spatula and just push everything down. I know it's tempting to want to stir it, but do not stir it because that will mess everything up. Now you want to add about a half a tablespoon of sugar. Now it's time to go ahead and put the lid on the Instant Pot and seal it, and then you're going to want to cook it on high pressure for 10 minutes. When it is finished, you want to use quick release and then open it up and give it a good stir. I know the tomatoes look gigantic, but don't worry, I have a hack for you to give you the perfect sized tomatoes. You are going to want to take a tater smasher and just smash them puppies down. Just have fun with it and just smash them, and you will end up with the most perfect sized tomatoes. See? Look at those maters. Now it's time to plate this up and eat because I am hungry. This is hands down the best spaghetti ever. It is so good. Even my mama loved it, and she is a picky eater. Thank y'all so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, then please like and please subscribe. And if you try this recipe, then please let me know in the comments below. I'll see y'all in my next video. Bye y'all.